Hey VR enthusiasts! Welcome back to another video where we dive into the world of virtual reality. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many of you have been facing. Struggling to install apps on your Meta Quest 3? It can be super frustrating when you just want to dive into a new experience but hit a roadblock. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's walk through some steps to get you back on track. First things first, check your internet connection. A stable and strong connection is crucial for downloading apps. A weak or unstable connection can definitely mess with downloads. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and consider restarting your router if needed. Next up, storage space. Is your device running low? Your MetaQuest 3 needs enough free space to install new apps. If so, you need to free up some space. Go through your device and delete those old apps or unused files that are just taking up space. This can make a significant difference and might just solve your problem right there. Now, let's talk software updates. Keeping your device updated is essential for smooth operation. Is your Quest 3 up to date? Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with new apps, so make sure you're running the latest version. If you're seeing error messages, it might be due to outdated software. Updating can often resolve these issues. Also, double-check the app compatibility. Not all apps are made for MetaQuest 3, and trying to install an incompatible app can lead to frustration. Make sure the app you want is actually compatible. Check the app details in the store to confirm this. Sometimes it's just a matter of finding the right version of the app that works with your device. Another thing, make sure you're logged into the right Oculus or Meta account. It's easy to overlook, but being logged into the wrong account can prevent app installations. Sometimes it's as simple as a login issue. Double-check your credentials and ensure you're using the correct account. And if all else fails, try restarting your device. A quick reboot can often clear up any temporary glitches that might be causing the problem. A quick reboot might just do the trick. Still having trouble? Don't worry, there are more resources available. Check out the official Meta support page for more detailed solutions. They have a wealth of information that can help you troubleshoot further. And if you're looking to upgrade or get a new device, you can grab the latest MetaQuest 3 on Amazon. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Your support means a lot to us. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more VR tips and tricks.